Keson introduces the bold string chalk line reels. Marks left with bold lines are easier to see and last longer because they are wider. They are typically used in areas with higher foot traffic or in those that have more adverse conditions. Many users choose to use bold lines when their eyes are further from the struck line. For example, following a line from a standing position when using a concrete saw. This string is available in 3 models. The Keson P100 chalk line reel has a unique shape and is great for corner work. It features a heavy-duty steel crank handle for longer life. The G150 Bold is made in the USA. It holds just under a pound of chalk for fewer refills and has 150 feet of line with a pull ring. The crank handle is great for a longer life. The G150 Bold has a big mouth chalk port for easy fill-up and ensures a protected seal. Also made in the USA is the G3X150 Bold. The G3X150 Bold is ergonomic with a glovable grip designed to reduce wrist strain and has a 3-to-1 rewind for fast line payout and retrieval. The G3X150 Bold has a big mouth chalk port for easy fill-up and ensures a protected seal with a capacity of just under a pound. Keson is proud to be the only chalk and chalk line reel producer in the United States. If a job is worth doing, it's worth doing right. Make your mark with a bold family of chalk line reels.